Hi everybody, this is Chandela recording live from Manila. As you all know, we have this storm named Yolanda, and I'm actually out right now, but sky's getting clearer, but it's windy, as you can see, or rather as you can hear. Tumutunog ang mga yero, pumapagaspas sa mga puno. Oh, I hope tomorrow mag-subside na siya and I am out. I was kind of craving for hot chocolate, so I went to 7-Eleven to buy one and oh, it's cold. Oh wait, there's may natumbang puno over there. The last time na nagkaroon ng ganitong klaseng bagyo with Milenio, I remember nahulog yung mga signage ng McDonald's and Jollibee here. And oh my god, parang may lumilipad na yero somewhere there. Whew, it's cold. Well, but it's not raining anymore, but ang lakas ng hangin. Wow. It's pretty. You can hear that. Yeah, I think I have to go inside na. Scary, huh? Scary.